Calling 2023 CR 9542W, State of Texas versus Ashley Marie Hernandez. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Daniel Escobar for the state of Texas.
Attorney Bill Simmons for defense.
And are you Miss Ashley Hernandez?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, you received all the discovery. Did you review it with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Ms. Hernandez, did you review the document entitled Waiver of Indictment, Reading of Information and Rights under Article 1.051 and 26.03 of the Code of Criminal Procedure with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, who's in the, off the record, who's that back there?
It's my client.
Oh, sure. Okay, no problem. Oh, no problem. All right, did you understand, we're back on the record, did you understand that you have a right to have a grand jury hear the evidence in this case and make a decision on whether or not this case should be held over for trial?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand your attorney has certain rights, namely 2 days from the presentation of the information and 10 days from the presentation of the information to prepare for trial? Did you understand by entering this plea bargain agreement, you were giving up those rights? And did you intend to give up those rights and enter?
All right, guys, buckle up. Today we're stepping inside a tense Texas courtroom. Ashley Marie Hernandez is facing charges that could land her behind bars, and the heat starts from second one. The judge lays it all out, discovery reviewed, rights waived, indictment bypassed. It's serious. This isn't just paperwork, it's her future on the line. You can already sense Ashley's nerves building. This is just the start, but the storm's coming.
Into a plea in this case? Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived indictment, reading of information and rights under Article 1.051 and 26.03 of the Code of Criminal Procedure. Showing you what's entitled Application for Deferred Adjudication. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Showing you the information. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the information?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the information as presented?
Yes, Judge.
Going to show you what's entitled Court Admonishments. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am, I did.
Did you understand you're charged with possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1, less than 1 gram? That's a state jail felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Commentary. Now things start to sting. The charge. Possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1, less than 1 gram. Sounds small, right? But the punishment's big, 180 days to 2 years in state jail. And up to $10,000 in fines. The court isn't sugarcoating a thing. Ashley acknowledges it all, but the vibe is eerie, like she's been through this before. Reality check. This isn't her first time in a courtroom.
All right. After reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will defer finding of guilt as you apply for deferred adjudication. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes,
Counsel, are we proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
We would just pray that the court follow the plea agreement.
All right. Ms. Hernandez, when's the last time you were employed?
Like 4 months ago.
Doing what?
My dad has he owns a lawn care.
All right. What's the name of this person you were with?
Like working.
No.
Jack
And the police report.
Oh, some homeless guy that I was out there with.
All right. Just off the record for a moment. So on this, instead of putting this in here, if you just say that he was in, yeah. Right. Thank you. All right. We're back on the record.
It was just some random guy. I was homeless at the time. It was just some guy up the street. User.
Commentary. Here's where it gets painfully real. Ashley confesses to being homeless and using heroin. That random guy from the police report? Just another ghost from the street. The courtroom freezes for a moment as the judge realizes she's been spiraling for over a decade. It's no longer about just a charge, it's about survival, trauma, and trying to rebuild. But is the court buying it? That's the looming question.
Okay. Do you have any children?
Yes, ma'am.
How old are they?
I have a 17-year-old, a set of twins that are 14, and a 13-year-old.
And where are they?
They've been adopted. They've been out of my life for well, I'm gonna say pretty much all my life.
Okay, how
All right.
often were you using?
I was using for at least 10 years.
Okay,
I've been clean for almost a year already. I was using heroin.
well, it can't be almost a year because we're still in
Barely going off like.
all right, because we're still in 2023. Am I right in that?
Yes, Your Honor.
And this offense was April 3rd, 2023. So you haven't been clean for a year.
That's going to, it's going on.
Commentary. This one hits deep. Ashley admits to having 4 kids, but they've been adopted and are long gone from her life. That's the emotional cliff. Her voice wavers, her past swallows her whole. A 10-year drug habit. A year clean, almost. But the judge clocks the timeline and calls out the math. It's a raw, soul-bearing moment where everything she's lost becomes painfully clear. This ain't fiction. This is her life.
A year, right? I mean, a couple months, I guess.
Okay. All right, this is what the court is going to do. Court is going to sentence you to a $200 fine that'll be probated. I'm going to want a TAP evaluation. Follow all TAP recommendations. Sorry. Follow TAP recommendations. If they recommend inpatient treatment, she needs to go to inpatient treatment. And that's to be followed by felony drug court, 4 years deferred adjudication, 150 hours of community service restitution. The TAP evaluation is the
Commentary. Boom. The gavel doesn't drop, but the sentence does. $200 fine, probation, a TAP evaluation, plus 150 hours of community service. And more, inpatient rehab if necessary. The court gives Ashley one last structured lifeline. But it's conditional, it's cold, and it's serious. The judge isn't here for sob stories, just compliance. She's watching Ashley's every reaction. There's no room left to slip.
take place in custody. Proof of employment within 45 days of release. No employment as a home health care provider or with minors. Regular reporting by Zoom or in person. We'll do the UA hotline until further notice. Field visits 1 time per month until further notice.
Commentary. Ashley tries to flip the script, begging the court to let her attend a church retreat instead of jail. She's emotional, desperate, clinging to a woman of Vela ritual for healing. But the judge isn't buying it. She's read the reports: heroin, homelessness, criminal patterns. No, she says flatly. The retreat is denied. This is about the system, not spirituality. And the law won't make room for rituals.
Probation, is there anything else she needs?
No, Your Honor.
All right, is there anything else you need from the court to be successful?
Judge, she has a job, I believe, outside. But the real question is just, do we know about how long the TAP evaluations are taking right about now?
Probation, how long is TAP? 2 weeks.
Would the court consider, well, I don't know, would you like to explain to the court why you feel like you need to be out?
Honestly, because me being sober living and my dad being back in my life, he's helping me get back into church, and I wanted to be a part of this ritual, this what is it called? It's like a woman barrier, and I wanted to go on this retreat so I can cleanse myself and actually.
Commentary. The court's tone shifts from sympathetic to sharp. Ashley's history with intent to deliver makes her ineligible for drug court. Now a gang evaluation is ordered. Tattoos come up. Her ex's name, Jesse, is inked on her chest. But that's not why the judge is cracking down. It's the cycle she can't break. One bad decision after another. If she wants mercy, she has to prove it with actions, not ink.
This retreat, does that retreat happen every year?
No, it's just like one time. It's just one time. Like I
Like they only have it one time forever?
No, ma'am, but honestly, this is what I signed up for. So I've been living with this lady and I told her I honestly would be there for her. Like, and she's.
All
my
right, so
support. I'm not.
here's
lying.
the thing. I've read the police report.
Yes, ma'am.
There's heroin and everything else going on with you.
Yes, ma'am.
So no, the answer is going to be no from the court. You're going to do a TAP evaluation in custody. And if they recommend inpatient treatment, you're going into inpatient treatment. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Have you been to prison before?
Yes, ma'am.
For what?
For intent to deliver.
All right. And so felony drug court is not going to accept her. So we can take felony drug court off the list and do a gang evaluation. What is the tattoo on your chest about?
Jesse. It's my ex-boyfriend. He passed away. I put his name. It's Jesse. That's it.
Okay. We're going to do a gang evaluation and we're going to remove.
Judge's real talk. If writing your own program worked, we wouldn't be here. She shuts down Ashley's hopes of negotiating leniency. Why? Because addicts don't get to customize justice. You can hear the disappointment, maybe even frustration. The state offered a deal, and now Ashley's treating it like a debate. The system's patience is thinning, and she's got no leverage left.
Felony drug court, because with the intent to deliver, felony drug court is not going to accept her. You understand? Okay, here's the thing. You have a drug problem. That's why we're here.
I understand, ma'am.
And you've been to prison before. And so you still haven't gotten your life together. State has offered you deferred. People want
I'm trying right now.
to write their own program. Guess what? If you could write your own program, we wouldn't even be here because you would have written your program and you would have been successful and you wouldn't have been with some random guy that you don't know and y'all using random drugs.
That was the first case, ma'am.
Showing you that's what's in the police report for this case. Showing you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yeah.
She just have like a appeal form. So she
Yes.
follows up the agreement.
All right. So here's the thing. I don't understand why I'm getting pushed back in the attitude. If you
Commentary. This part seals the courtroom deal. Ashley is reminded, this plea deal means no appeals. She signed off on it. The judge keeps things firm, emotionless. This is what Ashley agreed to, and the court's holding her to it. No sympathy, no turning back. The gravity hits hard. What seemed like a lifeline is now a lock-in. And Ashley knows it. Her silence. That says it all.
here's the thing. If you want to, you can withdraw your plea. In exchange, I will send you to the state jail facility. You can do your time, you can get out, and you can again try to write your own program. You understand? All right, so the trial court certification of defendant's rights to appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you. All right, so Ms. Muniz, you're supposed to go to SATA.
Yes.
Obviously, I sent you to SATA because there's a drug problem. Medically, you're not able to go to SATA, so you're going to have to go to SAP. And I'm being told that you won't sign the conditions. So these are your choices. You can either sign the conditions or not sign the conditions. If you choose not to sign the conditions, then a motion to revoke will be filed. And if things are proven to be true, then you could potentially end up going to prison. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
So,
Commentary. Now it's Miss Muniz in the hot seat. Another defendant, same harsh crossroads. She's refusing to sign conditions for rehab, but the court warns her, do it or face prison. It's brutal, clear, and final. She's given one last chance to make the right call. Time's ticking. The judge lays out the full timeline, 35-day wait, 6 months rehab, 3 months aftercare. It's structured or sentenced, no in-betweens.
do you wish to sign the conditions or no?
How long is safety?
You're looking at 9 months.
And none of this time counts any of the time that I've already waited.
No.
Judge, if I may, it'll be a wait time of approximately 35 days. And then the program itself will be 6 months.
There you go. And then it's 3 months aftercare.
Right.
So it's a total of 9 months. But your range of punishment for this offense is anywhere from 2 to 10 years. So it's completely up to you. How old are you?
27.
All right. You have a decision to make. You have a drug problem. I don't send people to safety if they don't have drug problems. So you can either sign the form to go to safety, or either the state is going to file a motion to revoke.
Commentary. You can feel the tension cut like a blade. Munice is 27, staring down a 10-year prison sentence. The judge knows she's got a drug problem, so SAP is the only path out. The courtroom goes silent. Her choice. Finally, she agrees to sign. It's a last-second save. But this ain't triumph. It's a reminder that the justice system's compassion is conditional, and it's running on a strict clock.
So which do you prefer?
I guess I'll sign for safety.
Okay. All right. Thank you. You're
Judge, how
welcome.
come every time I come in, you have such beautiful flowers up there?
Well, I will tell you, with regards to the flowers, my mom has always said there are 2 places that you spend your most time at, your house and at the office. And she says that your office atmosphere should be beautiful. It should be nice. You should make it as cheerful as possible because half of your life is going to be spent at work. So,
Well,
but thank you.
I need to take that up and
You
start
should.
putting some flowers in the.
But I will tell you, when I go to different events, people will give me flowers. And I'm like, oh, thank you.
They're beautiful.
Oh, thanks so much. I appreciate
Commentary. Suddenly, things turn surprisingly human. Ashley compliments the judge's flowers. The judge responds with warmth and a story about her mom's wisdom. Make your workspace beautiful because you spend half your life there. It's a calm after the storm. But let's not forget, this wasn't a story about flowers. It was about second chances, accountability, and pain. If you watched this far, you've seen it all. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next one.